Rolling through the city on these 4 Giotto, skinny, cheap and bubble.
Anyway, we got a Ford Fusion here. There you go. You look always, wherever you're in doubt, it'll say sometimes be on a sticker in your door jamb, or you can actually find it in the VIN number too. I'm not gonna show the person's VIN number to this car because it's not my car, it's my friend's car. All right, so we're doing a tune-up on this thing. Try to keep it fun, simple, straightforward, to the point. Got my son with me, teaching him some things, and boom, here we go. All right, so the first thing we gotta do, son, is get this cover off. How do you think it comes off? I'm not sure. I know on some of the GM cars, like Grand Prix, perfect example, Chevy Malibus, anything with the Ecotec, usually have to take the oil plug off. But with this, you don't have that. This is a Ford, of course. All right, so I'm guessing there's an engine under this cover. I'm having fun, y'all. Trust me. I'm just having fun. Like I said, I got my little dude out with me, so this video is gonna be a little funky fresh. All right. So when you're pulling up on the cover, son, you're not like just pulling in a random place. Usually, like right here, it's a little stiffer. So up in here, that's telling me that there might be a pull tab, and there is. See that? And this comes from experience. Like on this side, you see it's flimsy, right? Real flimsy. But when I get in here, it's kind of stiff. So I know there might be a pull tab. Or you can just look under there. I pull up. Now I see the pivot. You want to pop this one? Reach back there and find it and pull it up for me. Find the strong point. Just keep where it's strong at. Feel strong there? Pull it straight up. So we got the engine cover off. Like I said, it was just these little pull tabs that are right there. Very convenient. Whoa! What is that? Hey son, you think that's a fossil? You think that's a chicken fossil? Has somebody be eating chicken back here? You brave, man. Careful with that. What is that? Yeah, that's a chicken bone. Hey, throw it down.
A stick.
Throw it down. That's not a stick. That's a chicken bone. You mean to tell me that's a... He gonna say this is a stick. Y'all tell me what this is. Y'all tell me.
Oh,
That look like cartilage.
It is a
Huh?
It is a bone.
That's a bone, ain't it? So you mean to tell me somebody was eating chicken while working on this car? The last person. Hey, look, that's why there's a difference between technicians and mechanics. I ain't gonna even say a mechanic because there's a lot of people out here with mechanical abilities. You got mechanics out there. That's a mechanic move, man. But anyway, we got the cover off. We exposed the coils. These are the coils. All right. Each one of these got to come off simply by, I can see it here already, squeezing this tab down and pulling back. All right. So, like I said, son, you're going to squeeze down that tab and just pull back on it. All right. You got to make sure you see this lift when you squeeze down on it. So, my son pulled all of the plugs, and now we're looking right here. It's not a 10, it could be maybe an 8. I'm guessing. I haven't put a socket on it yet, but I'm noticing this coil pack right here, it's not gonna be able to come off without this being removed. So this bolt here, this is a pull tab. There's an identical tab at the bottom of this. You would squeeze it and pull straight back. I gotta take this apart right here and then free this. This whole intake has to come off to get to that. So let's make it happen. This can stay intact. We got the intake off. We got this little part right here free, which was really nothing. Like I said, son, we just squeeze out on that clamp, and that hose pops right off. Let's see, this went in just like that. Loosen our clamps up. In other words, we got this part free. And I don't know if you saw that bolt that went in there. Put your bolt back where it goes. That way you ain't got a bunch of bolts sitting in the bin somewhere and trying to figure it all out. Then you saw me take my pliers and I just gently pried up on these. These pop right up, just like that. Boom, bam. Now, time to take the coils off. Alright, so he's just loosening up the last plug. And what we got are, these are new plugs. These two still have to come out. So he just loosening them up. And the reason I told him to just chill out on loosening it, because there used to be like a little plug holder in here. They come out when you have a greasy motor. And if you work on a greasy car, the oil will get inside there and just make that little rubber seal just pop right on out. So, I'm gonna go down and pull these two plugs. This is very important, y'all. Invest in the gap tool. Don't just rely on the visual look. Okay, that looks like it'll fit in there. Gap those plugs proper to the spec of the car. Don't forget to put a little anti-seize. Dielectric grease. That's all this is. It says bulb grease, but trust me, it's dielectric grease. Put it on the top of the plug on the actual boot. Them boots look fine, but we actually got a new boot kit. So we're gonna change those boots and get this car running. Stay tuned. Right now, I just taught my son how to gap the plugs. He gonna make an old man cry. This little dude growing a mustache and he's gapping plugs for me. Proud dad moment right now, that's all. He can be a butthead. Have a little, you know, everybody got goods and bads, but overall he cool. What up, man? That plug at 44,000 yet. Alright, so me and the little dude, we went on. New coil boots, dielectric grease on them. Install them. Take a wire brush across the bottom of your coil packs and across the top of the thread holes for this. It could help with a connection. We definitely know that the engine is ground, but you know, just having your clean connections can only help. It can't hurt. My God, I almost got lost for words. But coils back in. Put your plugs back in, your intake, make sure all the bolts are good, everything is tight, all the spark plugs are good. The old ones will definitely poop. We're ready for the engine cover. That's it. So, tune-up is complete. 2013 Ford Fusion.